So here in this lecture we will learn how to use float property in CSS. Okay, so for the same reason we have created a file. I just save this file and choose the option save as, and here I give this the name to this file as float.html. Here we go. Okay, so here I take one paragraph. This will show the floating property. Okay, so here we take another paragraph. Say we take this paragraph over here, and in this paragraph I just wanted to insert some image. So for that I have to take one element, that is image. Here I have to give the source of the image, and let's say we give this, and to this I have to specify the property alt. Say I here just wanted to give image. We know already about how to use image, okay, in previous lecture. This is empty element, and here we have to specify the source, and after this we wanted to have put some text here. So I just take it, say I'm just copying this. I want this text to be here, and I just paste it over here, Ctrl B. Now I save this file, saved it. Now here I have to open this file. So the name of the file is float.html. Now look at this, image is not displayed over here, and the image alt is displayed over here. So I have to specify the path of the image that I would like to display over here. So in order to get the image, I have saved image with a name 111, and the extension of this image is JPG. So I want to use this image, so I will go to this, and here will I specify the name of the file that I want to insert .jpg. Now save this. Now here we go, refresh. Now see, okay, so this way it's going to be over. Now I just wanted to use the floating over here. So for this reason I just create some styling. For that I have to take style element in the header section, and here I create a class, say section. Okay, and I say here text alignment. Here we find text align. I here selected justify. Okay, and here I select I think the save. Okay, I just save this, and here I will use this section in div. Save this. Now to this div I have to apply this class, and the class name is, save this. Now see the changes over here. Okay, I just want this image to be float somewhere, so I just take one selector. Here I'm taking selector as img, and I just write over here. So I write float, and here I put the value to it as right. Save this. Now see, now this time my image is floated to the right, my text over here. Now this is in the same paragraph, image and the text is in the same paragraph, so I have put my image to the float right, so image has been moved to right. So here I just say left margin left, I say put it 10 px, save it, refresh it. Now here the margin of 10 px is set between those two sections, that is between image and the rest of the paragraph. Okay, so I just can use it float left, save this, see the difference. Now this time the image has been floated to left side. Okay, now here we have, this is done to inline the text as well as the image. So what it, and here instead of this I will use the margin right, 10 px space, save it, see the difference. Okay, so here we have inline the image along with the text. So in this case I have used the property float. Say I can set it equal to none. If I will set it equal to none, what will happen? The image will take its place as where it want to be placed. Okay, so this is the use of using float in CSS. Okay, so if we say we are having another values over here, say float, here we are having inline end. Okay, inline start, left, none, right, initial, inherit, unset. So all these value can be specified that give you the different positions of the images. Okay, so I will set it on the left, so control S, so this become inline over here. So this time this image will flow to the left. Maybe reduce its size. Okay, image will always flow to the left. Okay, this is how we can use the float property in CSS. Okay, hope you understand. That's all for now.